Hello everyone, welcome back to Techdot. Do you have multiple bootable USB drives for different operating systems but often lose track of what's on them? Maybe you've got one with Windows 10 and another with an older version, but it's hard to keep them organized. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an IT professional, or just someone who needs to test different OSs, there's a better way. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the ultimate all-in-one USB drive. With this single flash drive, you can install multiple operating systems, including various versions of Windows and Linux. You can also use it to repair and troubleshoot system issues or recover lost data. First things first, here's what you'll need. A flash drive with at least 32 gigabytes of storage. I recommend 64 gigabytes or more if you're adding several OS options. For this tutorial, I'm using a 128 gigabyte USB flash drive. ISO files of the operating systems you want to install, such as Windows, Linux distributions like Ubuntu or Fedora, and tools like Hiren's Boot CD. Now let's get started. Insert your flash drive into the computer. Then open Google Chrome and search for Ventoy, which describes Ventoy as an open source tool for creating bootable USB drives with ISO files. Click on the link to ventoy.net. You will find the link in the description. Once you're on the Ventoy webpage, navigate to the Downloads section. Then, select the appropriate version for your operating system. Since I'm using Windows, I'll download the latest Windows zip file, which is about 16.7 megabytes in size. So, click on the first link and then select Download Latest Version. Allow some time for the download to complete. Once the file is downloaded, then open the downloaded folder. Right-click on the Ventoy zip file and select Extract All. Proceed by clicking Extract. After the zip file is extracted, double-click the folder and you will find the file named Ventoy2Disk. This tool lets you create a bootable USB drive that can hold multiple ISO files without reformatting every time. It's a game changer. Now, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Ventoy will automatically detect your flash drive since it is already inserted into the system. If more than one USB device is connected, you will need to select the appropriate one from the drop-down list. Next, click on Options and ensure that Secure Boot Support is enabled. If it is not selected, enable it. Finally, click Install. A warning will appear notifying you that the device will be formatted and all data on it will be lost. If there is any data on the USB flash drive, please back it up before proceeding, as it will be erased. Once ready, confirm by clicking Yes or typing Yes and then click Continue. The process will take a few seconds to complete. Once it is finished, a message will appear stating, "Congratulations! Ventoy has been successfully installed on this device." Now, close the application and open this PC. Here you can see that your flash drive name has been changed to Ventoy. Now that your flash drive is ready, as you can see, the flash drive is currently empty. In the next step, you need to download different kinds of operating systems you want to add to the Ventoy flash drive. I recommend downloading Hiren's Boot CD, as it provides numerous features and tools in a single OS. You can find the link in the description. Open your browser and search for Hiren's Boot CD. Select the first link from the search results. On the official website, you will find the download option at the top of the page. Click on it to view a list of tools included in this free software. These tools can help you repair and troubleshoot various types of problems, reset forgotten Windows passwords, recover lost data, and even run live operating systems. Now, scroll down, and here you will find the download link for hbcdpx64.iso. Click to download the file. As you can see, I have already downloaded Windows 11, Windows 10, other operating systems, and Hiren's Boot CD. Now that your flash drive is ready, as you can see, it's time to add your ISO files to Ventoy flash drive. Simply drag and drop the ISO files for each operating system into the root directory of the flash drive. For example, you can include Windows 11, Windows 10, Ubuntu, and a recovery tool like Hiren's Boot CD. Ventoy will automatically recognize these files during boot. With this multifunctional flash drive, you can install multiple operating systems and resolve a wide range of issues. Now, let's test the Ventoy USB flash drive. Insert the USB drive into another computer, restart the computer, and press the specific key to open the boot menu. Additionally, adjust the boot priority order to prioritize the USB drive so that the system boots from the Ventoy USB. Finally, press F10 to save your changes. If Secure Boot is causing issues, you can disable it from the BIOS settings. This option is typically found under the Security tab. After booting from the Ventoy flash drive, you will see a menu displaying the ISO files you copied. From the list, select the ISO you want to use for installation and press the Enter key. When prompted to boot in normal mode, press Enter again. You should now see the Windows 10 setup page and can proceed with the installation. Alternatively, if you want to install Windows 11 or perform troubleshooting tasks, such as repairing your computer, you can do so using this Ventoy Ultimate all-in-one USB boot drive. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.